Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today I am preparing Khaman Dhokla. I am expecting my sister and my niece. So I'll share the recipe with you. It's a very simple recipe and it's a nice dish to be served with tea. Okay, so I'll give you the ingredients now. The ingredients now for Khaman Dhokla. I've taken 1 cup of this chickpeas, that is besan. I'll be saving this besan so there are no lumps, because the lumps you will not get a smooth Khaman Dhokla with this. Okay, so for 1 cup of this besan, I'll be taking semolina, 1.5 tablespoon. Then this is sugar. I'll be taking 3 teaspoon. Then this is citric acid, that is limbu fool in India we call this. Then this chili, green chili and ginger paste. Then this is 1 teaspoon salt as per taste. Then this is fruit salt. I'll be using this the last. I'll be mixing it last. Okay. Then for the tempering, I'll be using oil, of course. Then this is sesame seeds, that is til. This is mustard seed, that is rye. And here 1 green chili and a dash of hing, that is asafoetida. For garnishing, I'll be using fresh coconut and coriander leaf. And this is the container I'll be preparing it in. I've lined it with greased it with oil, 1 teaspoon oil. Okay, this diameter should not exceed more than 6 to 7 inches to get the right dhokla. Okay, then I'll be using the steamer. You have seen it in many of my recipes. I've taken 2 cups of water in this steamer and I'll be placing my container in this. Then for tempering, I'll require this, and for 1 cup of besan I'll require 1 cup of water. Fine. Now we'll get started. Now I'll first sieve this. Okay, now let's start with our mixing. I have just sieved this rice gram flour besan, that is 1 cup. To that I'm adding Rava, that is suji. I'm taking 1.5 tablespoon. Fine. Then 3 teaspoons of sugar. 3 teaspoon sugar. Then 1 teaspoon the salt. Then this is citric acid, that is limbu fool they say, that is half teaspoon. Okay, just mix all this. Then I've just ground this 1 chili, green chili and ginger. It's approximately 1 teaspoon. Fine. And now to 1 cup of besan, I'm adding 1 cup of water. So 1.5 teaspoon I've taken fruit salt. Can you see this? I will just add 1 tablespoon water so it mixes fast. Here you can see this. See? Now mix it immediately, fast. Pour it into this container. The minute you add your fruit salt, you have to immediately keep it in the steamer. Fine. Now I will keep the flame on high and let this steam for 6 to 7 minutes. Okay. Okay, I kept the steamer for 7 minutes exact, and here the dhokla is ready. Now I'll have to prepare the vagar for it. Okay, you can see. Okay, now for the tempering, I have taken 2 tablespoon oil. Okay, 2 tablespoon oil. Sorry. I will add mustard seeds. Let the oil get hot. Mustard seeds. So salt is butter. I will add the sesame seeds now. That is til. Green chilies. And a dash of hing, that is asafoetida. Okay, the vagar is now nice and done. I'll just add 1 tablespoon of water in this. Okay, I put off the flame now. Okay, I've added water. Now I'll just pour all this on my dhokla. And now let this rest for some time. So it will absorb the water that I have added in this tempering. Just spread it across. There's a nice aroma already. Now we let that dhokla absorb the water I have added to my oil tempering, and then I will cut it into pieces. Okay, you can see the dhokla is ready. I've cut them into pieces now, squares, and I've kept this garnishing ready. This coriander, fresh coriander leaves, and fresh grated coconut. Okay friends, Khaman Dhokla is ready here, and you've seen how simple it was to prepare it. And yes, you know, at my near my neighborhood, they serve this with this save, and just before serving, you sprinkle this crisp save also. It's really yummy. Okay, please do not forget to press the button like if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye friends.